Welcome to the second part of the drawing. So this was previously done. Now we're going to put some colors. As you can see, I'm putting some dark colors here. So let's put it to the village. As you can see, in a far distance. Okay. So actually this is the village. You can see in a far distance. So the three lines defines the village, and you can have an idea in the perspective that how far it can be. So it's looking very small. That's defines that it's pretty much far away. Okay. All right, and for this tree we are going to put the deeper color on the border lines. So each of the border lines you can have a deeper color. So these are the basic rules for the coloring of any sketch, but you have to follow some thumb rules, like for shades and shadows in the coloring of the trees. You can see I'm putting on the one side in a deep color, and I'm putting the other side left empty. So later I'm going to fill it up with a lighter colors. So you can see the deeper color is on the one side, because when the sunshine falls over the tree, only one side is getting brighter and another side is getting darker. That's how we're going to define the shades, variations, everything else. And little darker in the bottom, you can see here. Okay, so the brighter color, right. And the banana tree, you can see it's very small. Putting the green color, the light green. All right, the light green color is done. Now we are going to put the light green on the trees on one side, just providing the thickness of the trees, and you can see the color variations for each segment of the tree. So it's divided into multiple segments, you can see here. All right. Now let's work on this tree here on the other side. So when you put the shades, you just put the dark shades on the one side, and you just put the lighter shades on the other side. That's how the tree looks nice and lively. Okay, this is usually the traditional villages in the South Asian countries. Okay, so the bushes are pretty much visible right now. Here I'm working on the three bushes, as you can see here. One at the bottom and other one is at the bottom of the tree. Okay, and just putting the dark green color to define the bushes. Another green color is going to be here. Okay, all right. For the peach roof, we're going to put the dark red color. In this case, we're going to use some shades, and working through the roof lines, you can see just putting some shades. One side is deeper and one side is lighter. Also doing same for the other roof. All right. And let's put another color, little darker color, for the platform at the bottom. Okay, here too. And the doors and the windows are a little lighter color, you can see here. Mm-hmm. Okay, window here and doors here. All right, and for the rooftop we're going to have the same color pattern. Okay, you can see the peach roof. Mm-hmm. For the trees we're going to have this color, but with a shades, so the color is going to be partially to the one branch, and other branches should show the reflections of the right lights and the lighter appearance. Mhm. So let's make the left side a darker one, and let's make the right side a brighter one. Okay, so this is almost done. Let's manage some color combinations to make it smooth in the middle. Putting some blue color to the rivers here. In this case we are going to use the crayons to show the appearance of the river, little bluish color. You can see the river lines and the color of bluish color appearance in the picture. Okay, and sometimes you see the middle of the river, it's going to be left empty like a white one, and with a blue pencil we're going to define the edge of the river. Let's increase and enhance the depth of the color patterns to the banks of the river, so that the drawing is going to be looking good. So you can see the pencil sketch, you have to have the patience to define and show all the details. And as you know, if you can do all the details very nicely, the drawing is going to be looking very nice too. That depends on the timing and the experience of detailing. So you can see here the drawing is going to look better and better as we are going to do all the details. All right, so this is a traditional scenery of a house. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day. And one more thing, if you browse through the playlist, you can have lots of drawings in lots of categories. We have so many drawings, so you can select your own choices and you can progress your drawing learning sessions. Thank you so much. Have a good day.